Hai guys, Assalamualaikum. So sekarang dah pukul 5 petang. Hari ni kita orang akan pergi lokasi untuk kita orang buat travel facility and appointment. Hai, saya nak Asyik kali tengok saja. Dan saya Anis Nur Cantik Azli. So kita nak gerak dalam kulai guys.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang ke Velodrome Nasional Malaysia. So hari ni kita akan saya akan bagi penerangan sikit tentang Velodrome. Jadi kita akan ronda lah.
Okay.
Today we were assisted by Encik Ahmad Syamil, who served as the Assistant Executive Technical Officer, and Encik Megat Zulkifli, who served as the Track Technical System, in providing information and explanation regarding the facility available at Velodrome Nasional Nilai. Nilai was selected as the location for the velodrome development due to its strategic position near KLIA, which helped reduce transportation costs for the athlete. The previous proposed location was in Cheras, approximately 46 km from KLIA, was considered less suitable because of the longer distance for the athlete. In addition, the traffic condition in Nilai is less congested, providing a safe, more conducive environment for outdoor athlete training session.
Okay, so Velodrome ni dia sebenarnya bahagian inti tu adalah multi-purpose. So kita boleh buat takraw, kita boleh buat badminton, taekwondo, macam-macam kita boleh buat sebab dia flat dia. Apa-apa yang sukan yang atas permukaan flat boleh buat lah. Bola tampar. Sebelum ni kita pernah ada letak court badminton. Kita pernah juga terima request untuk taekwondo, karate, untuk buat untuk combat sport lah, untuk dekat bahagian infield tu. Untuk penyewaan kita tak open dekat public. Untuk track lah, kalau macam boleh untuk shooting, macam company swasta nak buat shooting untuk Dato' Rizul ke contoh kan, kita akan kenakan sewa lah. So rate dia, kita ada banyak rate daripada international, swasta, rate persatuan dan juga rate kerajaan. Cuma untuk track kita tak open dekat public lah. So track kita kena ada at least ada pengalaman untuk naik. So paling low pun kita bagi dekat negeri lah. Kita kena boleh bersukma je lah. Untuk maintenance, untuk bahagian track kita buat maintenance daily. So daily ni kita buat minor maintenance. Dengan every week kita akan ada satu sesi untuk kita buat major maintenance. Untuk kita punya major maintenance adalah pagi Khamis. So setengah hari tu kita akan buat major maintenance lah. Kemudian untuk kejohanan pula, kita akan sebelum kejohanan kita akan inspect track dan kita akan buat major maintenance juga lah. Macam kejohanan besar tu, contoh World Cup sebelum ni kita buat, itu paling besar lah, kita tukar kali sebahagian lah, bukan semua lah. Sebahagian ni kita tukar kali. Kita tutup Velodrome ni sebulan untuk kita buat maintenance. So kita memang jaga track kita dengan rapi je.
Velodrome Nasional Nilai consists of the three main blocks. Block A, which serves as the main velodrome complex, Block B as the chiller plant area, and Block C as the storage area. The velodrome is officially recognized by Union Cyclists International (UCI) under Category 1 standard. The track measures 250 meter in length and was minimum spectator capacity of 2,000 people. Several international tournaments has been hosted at this velodrome, include the Asian Championship, World Yacht Championship, World Cup Championship, World Track Championship, and the 2070 SEA Games. Among the facility provided are seating for 2,000 spectators, 5 male hostel unit, 5 female hostel unit, cycle pit, office space, basic facility, a coffee, food, and the beverage area, and the 200 meter cyclist track. The first floor is designed for spectator, while the second floor is the corporate box. Spectator may enter through gate A, which reserved for VIP and person with disability or QU, as well as gate B and gate C for the general admission. The velodrome also includes seating area, safety zone, the riding track, infield area, corporate box, and the BMX track. The cycling track was constructed by Velotrack from Germany, with the track construct alone costing approximately 18 million. The track made from Siberian pine wood due to its softer texture, making it highly suitable for international standard velodrome track.
Merah ni kita biasanya bagi dekat media. Untuk hitam kat sana tu untuk VVIP.